You deliver a gallery with hundreds of images. Then you wait. Which ones did they love? Which ones do they want printed? Did they have any feedback? What if your gallery could answer all of that for you? In this video, I'll show you how client proofing and favorites work inside of Aftershoot galleries. You'll see exactly what your clients see, how they browse, search, favorite, and comment, and how you can track every interaction from your dashboard. When your client opens their gallery, they can browse through every set you've organized. Highlights, ceremony, reception, whatever you've created, they can view the images in a grid or open them in full screen. They can favorite the images they love, and they can leave comments on individual photos, whether it's a note about a specific edit, a request, or just telling you how much they love a shot. Favorites and comments together give you a complete picture of what your client is thinking without a single email. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you've enabled AI selfie search, your clients and their guests can search for photos of specific people. They click the search photos button in the upper right-hand corner of a gallery. A sidebar opens showing thumbnails of every face the AI detected across the gallery. They can click on one or more faces, hit search, and the gallery filters down to only those images where those people appear. When multiple faces are selected, clients get two filtering options. At least one shown displays every image where at least one of the selected faces appears. Everyone together shows only the images where all the selected faces are in the same shot. They can deselect individual faces by clicking on the X or hit clear all to reset. They can add more faces at any time using the Add More button. If a guest can't find their face in the thumbnails, maybe they weren't in many photos, there's a selfie option. They click the camera thumbnail in the sidebar, place their face in the frame, and hit capture. The AI matches their selfie to images in the gallery, and their face appears in the sidebar ready to search. It's that simple. No scrolling through hundreds of images trying to find yourself. On your side, you can control how face search works. Open your gallery, go to Settings, and select AI Tools in the sidebar. You have three options. You can disable AI selfie search entirely if you don't want guests searching by face. If you enable it, you can choose between Open Search, which lets guests browse all images in the gallery, and Gated Access, which limits guests to only seeing images where they appear. Gated access is especially useful for large events where you want each guest to see only their own photos. Let's talk about access control. In Settings, head to the Privacy tab. You can set an album password. Anyone who visits the gallery will need to enter it before they see anything. You can also enable client-exclusive access. This creates a separate client password that gives your client full access to every image, plus the ability to mark certain photos as private. The client password must be different from the general album password, so access levels stay separate. Now let's see what your clients are actually doing inside the gallery. Click Analytics in the upper right-hand corner of your gallery. At the top, you'll see key numbers: total visitors, favorite count, total downloads, and total shares. Below that, you'll see a breakdown by guest email. Every guest who opens the gallery provides their email, and every action they take, favorites, downloads, shares, comments, is tracked against it. Click View Details next to any guest to see exactly what they did. You'll see which specific images they favorited, download, shared, hid, and commented on. This is where proofing comes together. You're not guessing what your client liked or wondering what their feedback was. You're seeing all of it in one place. Inside the detail view, you have two tools that make this immediately useful. Copy Image Names gives you a list of every file name your client favorited, ready to paste into Lightroom, Capture One, or wherever you need it. And Create Set takes those favorited images and builds a new set right inside the gallery. Click Create, and both you and your client can see the new set, a curated collection based on exactly what they chose. Here's how proofing works in Aftershoot galleries. Your clients browse, favorite, and comment on images. Guests search by face or selfie. You control access with passwords and search settings. You track every interaction, including comments and favorites, through analytics, and you turn favorites into sets or file lists ready for the next step. No more back and forth emails asking which images your client wants. No more spreadsheets of file names. Aftershoot Galleries handles proofing for you, so you can focus on the work that matters. Try it on your next delivery.